jersey number 5, Quincy Ibarni. Let's step forward. Wearing jersey number 4, Jimwelby Kadudi. Wearing jersey number 2, Dexter John E. Haliasco. Wearing jersey number 12, Kevin Ruivi Jail. Wearing jersey number 11, Marco B. Jail. Wearing jersey number 1, Erwin the second, I. Negradas. Wearing jersey number 3, Borswick Espanares. Wearing jersey number 15, Stephen Howard P. Scope. Wearing jersey number 17, John Mateo L. Soto. Wearing jersey number 8, CJ.O. Tremila. Wearing jersey number 13, John Lloyd P. Tilampo. Heather Picos. Coach Anavid P. Jail.